Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You are definitely a real one. Now, y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know the vibes over here. Kayali has launched a brand new fragrance, and I know y'all probably didn't think I was going to do a review, but come on. Come on now. I will not leave y'all hanging. So I am definitely going to do a review on the brand new fragrance from Kayali. So if you are interested in checking out my thoughts on the new fragrance, then keep on watching. And before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, of course. And also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. So Kayali just came out with this brand new fragrance, and it is called Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. Ooh, when I heard the name, I just anticipated that this was about to be so sweet and delicious. But in this fragrance, there is notes of pistachio. There is hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. Those notes all sound delicious to me. So this is not going to be a first impressions. I've actually had a chance to sit with this fragrance for a little bit, maybe like a day or so, and kind of play around with it so I can kind of give you a little bit more in-depth details and more thoughts on this fragrance, but it's not a first impressions because I've already played with the fragrance. So right off the bat, I am obsessed with the packaging. The packaging screams yumminess. It reminds me of gelato, and it's also giving me spring vibes. Of course, the shape and the bottle of the package is similar to all of the other bottles, but this one is just super cute because it's like this pretty pistachio or mint green color, and I just think it is too cute. So first off, I just want to say thank you to Kayali and Mona for sending this over to me. It was such a nice gift, and I really, really appreciate it. Now, as far as my review goes, y'all know I'm going to still keep it 100. I'm going to still keep it honest with y'all because that's what I do over here, okay? And y'all came for my honest opinion. But anyway, thank you so much to Kayali, and congratulations on your 12th fragrance launch. Whew, that is amazing. So I'm not going to spray this on the tester strip because, again, I've already sprayed this and played with it on my body. So I'm just going to go straight in and spray this fragrance and then let y'all know my thoughts. Mmm. Mmm. This is a beautiful fragrance, y'all. Now, in the opening, I'm definitely getting the pistachio. It's not super nutty. It's more of like a creamy pistachio. And when it says pistachio gelato, that's exactly what I'm getting. I can also smell a little bit of the hazelnut, but what's most prominent to me on my skin is that rum. That rum is standing out to me quite a bit. I also can smell a little bit of the whipped cream and the marshmallow for sure, but mainly the pistachio and the rum is what's standing out on my skin. Now, for me, this fragrance is actually not super sweet. And it's so interesting because when this was promoted, I kind of thought that this was going to be like this really dense or even like delicious, syrupy, almost like a dessert kind of fragrance. That's what I was expecting because I thought this was going to be like heavy on the gourmand side. But this is actually not that sweet to me. It's like a light sweetness. It's light and fluffy and airy. And I think the whipped cream and even the marshmallow is kind of making it a little bit more airy and even like I said, a little bit more creamy. This fragrance is softer to me and it's not super heavy. So if you're a type of person where you like sweet fragrances, but you don't want something that's super, super sweet or super heavy, then I would definitely say that this is one that you may consider checking out. Now, for me, I actually do not smell hardly any cotton candy. And I'm a little sad about that because I love cotton candy. And when you tell me cotton candy is going to be in a fragrance note, it just takes me back, okay? It reminds me of like being a child and like having those cotton candy fragrances. I can't even think of one off the top of my head, but it just reminds me of like my childhood. So whenever I smell a cotton candy note, I just get so happy. Now I'm a little sad though because I really cannot hardly smell hardly any cotton candy. Even as this is drying down, I don't really get too much cotton candy on my skin. That is okay. However, for me, it's just not really prominent. Again, mostly that rum and the pistachio is what's prominent. But once it dries down, I'm definitely getting more of the marshmallow and more of the whipped cream. So it's becoming a little bit more fluffy and a little bit more sweet. So for me, I think that this is a great daytime fragrance. I probably wouldn't wear it on its own at nighttime, but I would consider layering this fragrance as a nighttime scent, maybe putting it with something a little bit more dense or a little bit more intense. Now, speaking of intensity, this is supposed to be an intense fragrance, and I will be honest with y'all, the longevity and the performance for me is pretty moderate. So I've had this on all yesterday and mostly today as well. And I have had to reapply it. So for me, it lasts at the most 5 hours before I have to reapply it. So it quickly does become a skin scent and it is softer. So for me, I'm not getting that huge intensity. However, I do feel like I'm okay with reapplying my fragrances. It's not that big of an issue, but in case you were interested, for me, it is pretty moderate on the performance of the fragrance. So my overall thoughts of the new fragrance, Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. I actually really enjoy this fragrance. I think that this is a nice, easy reach fragrance. However, for me, this is a like and not quite a love just yet. I know I love Kayali. Y'all know I love Kayali. I'm literally obsessed with their fragrances. And for me, this just didn't give me that wow factor that I've felt with some of the other Kayali fragrances in the past. This one initially just didn't give me the wow factor. It smells really beautiful. I'm definitely going to continue to wear it. I'm excited to figure out how to layer it and what combinations work great with this fragrance. But this is a fragrance that I feel like you really kind of have to play with a little bit more. You have to spend some time with it and date it a little bit. Now, it is a like at first sniff. So I would definitely say that I do like this fragrance. It's just not like, wow, I'm obsessed with it just yet. Now, will I say that this is a blind buy worthy fragrance? I actually think that this is a fragrance you will definitely have to get your nose on and sniff before committing to a full-size bottle. That is just my recommendation. I feel like this is a unique and it has so many different layers to it that I feel like you would definitely just need to kind of get a sample or get your nose on it just to determine if you really truly love this scent. Now, again, for me, I'm excited to layer the fragrance, and I want to share one product that I actually was using yesterday and it works really, really nicely with this perfume. So I actually layered this body cream, and this is called Pistache. It's like a pistachio oil body cream, and I actually layered it with the new Kayali fragrance, and y'all, it smells so good. So if you want like more sweetness with the fragrance, I definitely recommend checking out this body cream because it definitely has that pistachio in there, but it's a little bit more sweet and it's also a little bit more intense. So it definitely helps to kind of intensify the fragrance and make it last a little bit better. I love this body cream. It's hydrating. The consistency is really nice. It's thick, but it melts right into your skin. And again, it smells so, so good. So I will link this in the description box. I got this off of Amazon, and I just want to shout out to the TikTok girlies and some of my girlfriends on Instagram because they definitely put me on to this body cream. But it smells so, so good, and it layers really nicely with the new Kayali fragrance. So I just take a shower, I do my body care, and as my body cream for the day, this is the one that I will wear, and then I will spray the Kayali fragrance right on top of it, and y'all, it smells so delicious. Okay, absolutely delicious. When I wore the body cream with the perfume, I definitely got compliments. I walked past my mom a few times and she's like, girl, you smell good. And then I actually wore it out. I went to Target, I went to run a few errands, and I also received compliments as well. So I'm definitely letting y'all know, if you want the fragrance to last a little bit longer or you just want to amplify it a little bit more, definitely consider layering your fragrances. And that's really just for any fragrance, but this particular combination is chef's kiss. All right, y'all. So that was my review, and those are my thoughts on the brand new fragrance from Kayali, which is Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. I want to congratulate Kayali again on your 12th fragrance launch. Y'all are doing an amazing job, and I just feel like everybody goes crazy for Kayali fragrances, and the hype is just out of this world, and I am just so proud of Kayali. So congratulations again on your 12th fragrance. I also want to thank you all for watching this video, and I have one quick little announcement. So I decided to take a leap of faith, and I applied to be a part of the 2023 Sephora squad, and I need your help. If you are interested, if you've been inspired by any of my content, or you want to simply support, please feel free to leave a testimonial. I would greatly appreciate it, and it would definitely strengthen my application. So if you want to show your girl some love and share why you think that I should be a part of the 2023 Sephora squad, then click on the link down below and feel free to leave a testimonial or any kind of supporting and encouraging words. I thank y'all so much, and I hope that I will see y'all very soon in the future. I promise I actually will see y'all in the future. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. Also, give this a thumbs up and let me know if you've tried the new fragrance, what are your thoughts, or if you're planning on checking out this new fragrance as well. And don't forget to check me out on my other social media handles. I am very active on all my other channels, so TikTok, Instagram, and definitely on Pinterest. So I will have all of my handles linked down below as well. But thank y'all again. I hope y'all have a great one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.